Welcome to Parent University. Parent University is a course registration and management system where New York City families can find free trainings on a wide range of topics. Parent University serves all families from early childhood through adulthood and seeks to educate and empower them as partners and advocates through free courses, resources, events, and activities. This is the Parent University landing page. Before we log in, I'd like to draw your attention to two key features. Number one, Parent University is powered by Google Translate, so the platform can be translated into almost every language. Also, Parent University is integrated with NYCDOE, so for our families who have NYCDOE accounts, they can log in using those credentials and access Parent University as a widget on their dashboard along with their students' health information, grades, and transportation. Now, for families who don't have students in the DOE, like aunts and uncles and grandparents, they can also have full access to Parent University by creating an account at this link. And all they need is an email address and to have full access to all of the Parent University courses, resources, and events. For today's demo, I'm going to sign in with my NYCDOE account. And then once you log in, you'll see that there are 5 tabs across the top. There's a Home tab, Course Catalog, My Courses, Resources, and About Us. On the Home tab, you'll notice a welcome message as well as up to 5 feature courses. These courses are usually courses that are timely. They may be an important policy that we want to draw attention to. In this case, these are 5 live web-based trainings that are occurring from between today through February. The next tab is the Course Catalog tab, and you'll see that below Courses Available, each course has its own course card along with the course details. But you can also search for a course by typing in a keyword, you can choose a season, or you can choose a category. And right now we have courses in the following categories: Adult and Continuing Education, Early Childhood Education, Enrollment, Health and Wellness, Multilingual Learners, Parent Leadership, Remote Learning and Technology, School Buildings and Operations, and Special Education. And these categories were chosen because they're closely aligned to the DOE website. For today's demo, I'm going to search by keyword FAFSA to see what types of courses we have available. Once I type in FAFSA and hit search, you'll see that we have a course available on December 16th on this topic called Navigating the Free Application for FAFSA. Now, to learn more about the course or to enroll, I'm going to click on the Course Details button. And then from here, I can read a description of the course, as well as information about the audience, the status of the course, information about the registration deadline, where applicable, start and end date, time, total number of hours, location, categories, and instructors. At this point, I can either add the course to my watch list, or I can click the blue Enroll button to enroll in the course. For today's demo, I'm going to click Enroll. And then once you do that, you'll notice that the course moves to the next tab, which is the My Courses tab. Now on the My Courses tab, there are 3 sections. There is the In Progress section, there are courses on my watch list, and then there are courses are completed. Now for courses that are completed, you can click on the Learn More button to download a certificate of completion. Now for courses that are on my watch list, I have the option to either remove them from my watch list or I can enroll in these courses. Now for courses that are in progress, if it's an on-demand pre-recorded course, to start the course, I would just click the green Start Course button. For courses like this one that's live and web-based, I can click the green Join Event button to join the course. Now the next tab is the Resources tab. Here you'll find resources aligned to all of those same categories as the course catalog. And these resources are links to local, state, and federal websites. There are links to toolkits, community-based organizations, training materials, and these are all available 24/7. And then finally, the last tab is About Us. And this talks about our work as a FACE office, but I want to draw your attention to the feedback button that's down below. When you click on feedback, there's an opportunity to provide information about your user experience, not only with the ease of navigation, but also more information about what kinds of courses and categories you'd like to see. And we really hope that our users will contribute feedback because we want to co-create this with our families. As I shared in the demo, registering is easy. Help us spread the word. You can click on the links to download the Parent University flyer in English as well as translated versions. So visit Parent University today at parentu.schools.nyc. Thank you.